here, and I'm going to show you what happens if you press the button in this Minecraft map called Don't Press the Button. So first of all, I'm gonna break all this glass. Yeah. You can do this in any night, but in night 9 you need the Nether Star to do this. Press the button and see what happens. You press the button! Why? You had one job! You're fired. Oh. So if I press the button, I just die. How about I just press the button and run? Run! Well, I guess that's what happens if you press the button. You die. So, thanks for watching and bye.